I'm not ready. No, dito na. Okay, game. Ay, may patutut kasi. Okay, first of all, thank you for coming. And second, kindly pay the bill after. That's all, thank you.
Beshi! Beshi, dun ka! Hirap mag-video!
Okay.
Pwede.
Happy 50th birthday, Beb. Pakipasok mo na. Okay. Okay. I thank God for your life, for giving you to me and to our kids. We are so blessed to share this life we built together. Ano daw? More than half of my life kasama na kita. We've been through a hard stuff together. Ang dami natin hirap na pinagdaanan. Hindi ko papaisip tuloy yung puso. Papaisip tuloy yung puso ka. Ikaw umalas sa ating dalawa. I-translate na lang. All jokes aside, you never left me through those hard times. Even when I wasn't... Even when I was being myself, my postpartum times, you loved me and cared for me, even at my worst, and never gave up on me.
Gift, ma'am. Ma'am.
You are the most loving. Ikaw na kaya mo talaga. Mom, can you read it for me, please? Nasaan na ba ako? Okay. And never gave up on me. You are the most loving and patient person I ever knew, next to Nanay. And the best father to our children. You are so selfless when it comes to us. You love us unconditionally. Literal na isusubo mo na lang, ibibigay mo pa sa amin. For all those years, hindi ako naging vocal sa'yo saying all this. But tonight, I gather all my courage. Courageous na to! To let you know how much you mean to me in front of all our friends. You are the best husband a wife could ever ask and could ever wish and ask for. So lucky me. My love for you only grows day by day. Know that I am more in love with you today than I was when we first said our vows. Ang pogi mo talaga. I love you. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.